Hi everyone. Today for the group activity, we are going to discuss about the mind mapping. As you all know, mind mapping is specifically for brainstorming sessions to find some solutions to problems which are challenging. Now to start up with, let me introduce the software that is Lucid Chart, which we are going to use for mind mapping. So let us log into the lucidchart.com. Once the login page opens, you just enter the mail address and then enter your password. So the page is open now. So you could see the home page. This is the home page. You have the documents, the menu page, that is the templates, integrations, like where you can integrate your documents, and the account settings. First, let us start with the documents. So in the documents, you have my documents, that is which you have created, and the documents which are shared with you, the recent documents that you have created, and the starred items and trash, something which you are emptying. And the template page, you could see the templates which you can choose for mind mapping, that is flowcharts, mind maps, concept maps, database diagrams, swim lane diagrams, system diagrams. And some of these templates are available in the free version, and some of them are available in the your paid version. And these are the things which are available in the free version. And now coming to the integrations menu. So these are the softwares where you can get integrated with. So whatever map you are creating, that can be integrated to these softwares. There are quite many where you can integrate your documents, share with your collaborators, and get it solved. And the account that we have to set up. Now let us start with the creation of mind mapping. So let us go for the new document. Already I have a documents. So let me open up the pages. So these are the documents which I have created for my training. So you have the pages, page 1, page 2, page 3. Now let us start with the next page. So this is the blank page. So before going into the mind mapping, let me tell you what are all the features available. So this is the file icons. So where you can create new document, rename, save, make a copy, and all those things. And you have a feature of manage status, that is You can send the document as draft or complete, pending review, approved, rejected, and no status. So this can be added to the document and you can send it. And the edit option where you can undo, paste, all those things, and select what are all the shapes that you want to select and the lines that you want to select. View, that is zoom in to page or zoom out. So all those things I think you can understand. And insert page, insert, you can insert a new page or import the page. We can add the creator name, date and time, when was the document created, when was the last it was modified, all those things. And the arrangement in the free version is just the auto layout, which means like it will be extending whatever is the length of the diagram or the width of the diagram, it just automatically adjusts to the layout. And share, you can share it to the collaborator, either you can publish or embed it. And help, the interesting feature here is the feature find, which is very interesting, that whichever icons you want to know, you can just type in and you can know where is the feature that is present. And the documents that you are creating will get automatically saved. I think we'll go on for creating the mind map. So first what we do is we just construct a, one thing is like we have to just drag and drop, that's all. So you just have to choose the shape which you want to do it and you just have to drag and drop. So let us go for say the challenges you faced. Challenges of COVID-19. So this is what is the brainstorming session today. So we are going to see how, what are the challenges that you faced. So the challenges can be, you can add on any shape that you want. Poor network connection. Poor network connection. Okay. And if you want to duplicate also, you can just right click. You can just duplicate the same shape that you want. And you can just edit whatever you want to write on it. Can be the next challenge can be no transportation. No transportation, right? Okay. So you can just move this also if you want, or else you can just keep it because it is all interconnected, right? Okay, next coming to the, how do you overcome it? We can choose a shape. Overcoming the challenges. So how do you overcome the challenges? We can just draw the lines. Whatever shapes you want to have, you can add it. So how did you overcome it? Staying at home. Right. So this is how you have to create the mind mapping. Like you can have the decision, a handful of decisions where each one will contribute when you are raising the questions, and that will help you to come on to a solution or the final conclusion, like what can be done. So after having created your documents, you can add colors to it. So whatever color you want to have, you can just add the colors. Okay, you can match with the colors. And this is the line. These lines can also be either increased or decreased. So you could see here. Now we are going to reduce it. We have to select it and then we have to reduce. We have kept with the 4 points. And these lines can also be colored. So you have the line color. Whichever color you want to make it, you can change the color also. And here in this page you have the shapes, and if you want to add more shapes also you can add. And after having done this, you have to share it because it gets automatically saved. And before sharing, let us assign the status. So we'll just say it as pending review. This is a chart which is pending review, and now we can share it. You just have to enter the mail ID. And you can also scroll here and see either can edit and share, can edit, can comment, can view. So since we are sharing for collaboration, we can edit and share. And next we can send it. After sending, you could see here successfully shared. So now the document is ready and we have sent for coming to a conclusion with the collaborators. So even if the collaborators are staying remotely also, so these are very helpful in coming to a conclusion. So these shared documents will help you to arrive at a solution, mainly in the institution, business areas, and so on. Hope all of you have understood. Thank you so much.